In this video recording, I'm gonna talk to Nate, who teaches people how to do real estate in Texas, and he's got a bigger Facebook group of 10K plus people, and we discussed how to turn those people into a membership of paying people. We discussed the promotional launch plan and a few stages to go through. The plan will be to create lead generation content in his Facebook groups so people can be put into an email list. We're gonna be simultaneously building an email list and also building a wait list for the membership. And after we build a big enough wait list of interested people, we'll then launch the founding group of the first few members who gonna join the membership, and they're gonna get a special offer in exchange for being the first ones. So the goal is to launch a mini membership of 20, 30, 40 people really quickly through this launch plan.
I think I'm ready. I think I can do a soft launch and start bringing people over.
All right.
Because then they can start doing discussions. They can start getting into the modules. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 or 4 modules that, or one module, but 3 or 4 lessons that they can jump into and get started.
All right. Let's overview this idea of the plan. You said that you have a Facebook group, right?
Yeah, there are 2 Facebook groups, that I can pull people from. So the Facebook group is at 10,000.8 members. That's one group. The other group is at 3.8. 3,800 members.
Okay. And are these both related to the same topic?
Correct. Well, one's licensing, one's unlicensed, but yeah, same general umbrella topic. Yep.
Okay. Do you also have any existing emails already of people?
From people that we want to bring over?
Yeah.
No. I haven't captured any of that stuff.
All
No,
right.
it's been totally free. I haven't used any email builder, email list.
Okay.
No.
All right, so let me show you my screen to show you the plan.
All right.
So look here in this second course, we're gonna go through these 3 stages or 4 stages of launching your membership, okay? The first stage, which will probably very relevant to you, is building an email list, because we're gonna ask in those Facebook groups of yours, like, who is interested in certain value first. Actually, we're gonna combine it with these 2 stages almost like together soon. But we wanna ask people first, hey, who is interested in either certain value? We can give them a lead magnet, or we can ask them in the Facebook groups already, hey, who would be interested if I open this private community, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Whichever of those questions we're going to ask them, we need to move people from that Facebook group now to the email list. And we can do this in a few ways. We need to get people to comment for either certain lead magnet, valuable giveaway, or we need to get them to comment that they are interested in the membership if you create it, right? This will allow us to start building a wait list of interested people. In Systemy, we're going to create some tags. We're going to create a waitlist tag, and we're going to create a general tag as well of just general value, people who came in via lead magnet or whatever. So we're going to start tagging people. But immediately when we have enough people who are kind of interested either in the value or already in your membership, we're going to then launch this beta founding group, which means we're going to say to people, hey, the first few who come in the membership are going to get this special offer. You're going to be the founding members or whatever. And a special offer is just different in, like, you're going to give them maybe an extra bonus or so, or you're going to give them a one-on-one session, or you're going to give them a lower price. Because we want to rush an initial group of 10, 20, 30, 40, or whatever people, depending what the audience will allow us to do. We want to rush the first group in, but that's up to you, right? I mean, I just like to use this method of rushing people in so we can have an initial beta group, founding group in, and then we will ongoingly keep going through continuously keep promoting the membership in a regular way. And that last stage, which I don't need to bring up right now too much, is we're going to start putting an automated sequences in place, because we're going to continuously keep building an email list, and we're going to put an automated systems in place that get people signed up on their own via automated sequences, right? So these are a few stages. You could run a live workshop in your free group.
Yeah, that's an option. Yeah.
I mean, kind of go live. because that's what I'm finding. One big client of mine right now, he's gonna do 3 lives before he even opens the membership. He's gonna do one a week, just because he wants to pre-pump people a lot, right? Like,
yeah, for sure.
And then on those lives, you can say, hey guys, I'm opening a waitlist, right? Whoever wants to know more about it when I open it, hey, you just need to click this link down below. Or either we promote a waitlist there, or we promote directly a membership founding group if it's already ready, right? So these are all possible lead magnets. This live workshop is a good one, to be honest. But because it builds an email list, it creates connection, and we can promote a group of people at the end of that workshop. A group of people can be put. So anyway, but that's an extra thing. So does this make sense? The idea here?
Yes.
Now, we need to go through these stages. You can choose which ideas you like. Either we create a mini lead magnet, or we directly ask people, hey, there is a wait list, or we could organize a workshop maybe in a week or 2. I don't know if you ever go live in your community, but we need to give people an option that they take certain small action step toward them being interested at the end of the day into being a founding member. By the way, later when we start going through these first 2 stages, we're gonna create founding members content opportunities also in your Facebook group. So we're gonna be sending emails out to these people who are on the wait list and who became part of an email list, but also we're gonna create content which is more in that Facebook group as well. I have created, we need to set up a little bit of foundation, which I'm gonna help you to do. So the email marketing system works, because even for a wait list, we need to have another opt-in page. And I will do that for you, so we are faster together. We'll do those things. But also there is now this content plan of topics. All of those stages that I just talked about, right? I wrote out topics for emails and for content, right?
Okay.
For waitlist building, for beta founding members launch of topics to go through, because we're gonna write on these topics emails and create content. So I'm gonna have templates for all of these guys now. I'm gonna start creating them on this journey with people. And anyway, there is one smaller stage that I skipped in those stages, which is actually you could write down some people manually as well onto the list.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's a more tedious job. But here, building a wait list, I came up with a plan that we can kind of manually write down people into, let's say, this Excel document.
Okay.
Because like if you had previous clients, or if you had any people who you interacted with, we can manually put them down here, and we're going to then email them and DM them, get them on a wait list, and manage those as well. Because this can provide us with like 30 leads probably.
Okay.
I'm going to potentially get you to write a few people down from top of your mind, just to write them down. If you have any on top of your mind, right? Even from that Facebook group, like if you remember who you interacted with there, if there are some Warren people, if you could go through that Facebook group, we can manually write them down.
Sure.
Because, this is a tedious job, but I'm just trying to say that maybe content is not going to reach 100% of people in there.
No, it won't. Not yet. Yeah, exactly. It won't.
Yeah, but if you know that if you could go in your Facebook group later on, not right now, there is a strategy behind this. You can go through the last few Facebook group posts and see who was engaging in the comments, right? And we can just, this person needs to know about my membership whenever the time is right. We're gonna invite them for a wait list manually in case the content's not gonna reach people, because this can give us like 30 leads. We can then give them a link to the wait list. They become part of our email list, and then the email list is going to do the job toward them anyway.
Makes sense.
Look, before we are ready to do this, I need to make sure that we have an email marketing system that's working for you. This is really important. But let's decide first. I'm going to create these 2 pages for you. One for regular lead magnet, okay?
Okay.
Because we need that anyway for the future. This lead magnet, we need to have it for later stage of automation, right?
Okay.
Because we're going to always be giving some lead magnets away, and then these email sequences will be fired up toward people who opted in, right? So we would need this.
Okay.
This is a good small excuse to see who is interested just in value.
Okay. So I make this video.
Yes.
And what's the topic of the video?
It's a general topic of you teaching the full picture of what your membership is about, but you don't talk about it that way. You will just simply talk about, hey, I'm going to teach you this matter of whatever real estate in Texas. I don't know what's the outcome, right?
I got you. Yeah, I'm tracking. Okay.
So it's like a 5, 7, 10-minute video. It's just education, simple giveaway.
Okay. Okay.
And then let me show you something really quickly. And then you're gonna have an opt-in page like that, like I showed you last time, right?
Yeah, I mean, I remember seeing this. Yes.
Yeah. So whatever, you're gonna have this opt-in page. People will opt in. I will explain you how to get them from Facebook to opt in, or even we manual. And then the thank you page will be here. And what we're gonna do is, because I give them the video to watch. In my case, I get them to my free community. But what me and you gonna do here, we're gonna get them to a wait list.
Yeah.
We're gonna say here, hey, we are about to open a membership private community. If you wanna get details when the more info is ready, simply click this link. I'm gonna set up an automation here with you. When someone clicks this link here, like waitlist link, the system, okay, of course, it's gonna take them to a mini thank you page. Hey, thank you. But System app is gonna tag them with a tag waitlist immediately after they click.
Okay.
Because they gave us email on the previous page anyway, right?
Okay.
And then this is gonna tag them for a waitlist. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So it's another step of automation, okay? Giving away a valuable thing, and then you could even in the video already actually say that there is a waitlist, but I don't know. It's not actually needed. We can just provide them with some info here, and it's gonna tag them as a waitlist person. And in a week time, when we start promoting to that waitlist, we're gonna talk to the waitlist people a little differently than to the general people on your email list, right? We're gonna be more like, hey, you requested info, here it is.
Sure.
You are I know even these people on waitlist, we're gonna specially invite them, hey, because you joined the waitlist, you can take one of these founding member spots first. Here is a special offer, right?
Sure.
Anyway, this is all part of the process here, okay?
Okay.
So I want to ask you if you're okay with creating a video as a lead magnet, right?
Yeah, so I'll create a video, lead magnet, kind of what this group is about, different than my about video.
Your about video was selling them the offer, right? Kind of.
Yes.
You know what I mean? You were like, hey, join in, right? But this,
so it's different.
It is different, yeah. But I mean, the value is almost similar, but you don't talk about the offer and the inclusions. You simply talk about, hey, this is how you achieve this outcome, right? I mean, it's a simple video structure that you're going to follow. I do have that one written out I will give you that one.
Awesome.
We'll then speak then.
Thank you, Primoz.
Yeah. We are moving forward.
Oh, easy peasy. Yeah, right. We're doing it.
All right. Cool, Nate. We speak then soon, all right?
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See ya then. See ya.
All right. See you.
Bye.